This is isolated thoracic extension and flexion. This is really great to do if you're having issues with rib flare, so your ribs feel like they're pointing up and out all the time. So place your hands on your ribs and then inhale. You're gonna arch your middle back. So you're trying not to arch your head back and arch your low back. So we're trying to keep this right in the mid back. So arching up and then flexing your mid back forward and then extending back and then flexing forward. And as we do this, we're becoming more aware of our mid spine and our rib cage and how it can move down and up.